As we mentioned, more than 2,000 new COVID-19 cases in Alabama reported today, the highest single-day total for the state since the pandemic began.
2,262 confirmed cases were reported just today. According to Dr. Karen Landers with the Alabama Department of Public Health, recent large gatherings may be to blame.
NBC 15's James Gordon joins us now with more on why the numbers are on the rise. James?
Well, health officials have pretty much unmasked several pretty big potential culprits for re-energizing this virus, including Halloween. State health officials tell NBC 15 News the spike is more than likely attributed to Halloween gatherings and parties. It's been 2 weeks, and the timing seems right based on the virus's incubation period.
We know that persons went to Halloween parties or fall festivals, but they've also been going to sporting events and work-related meetings and church events. So again, basically, people congregating together.
There have been several single-day spikes, once back in March and a second in October. In October, with a large spike, state health officials issued a disclaimer. A large dump of tests had been received, but today's spike had no such disclaimer.
I think that we're all going to have to work together to get rid of the COVID virus, and one person can't do it. It's going to take all of us.
On a local level, most people, especially senior citizens, want everyone to take today's news seriously.
They forget that if they get the virus, they can spread it. They may live through it, and probably will, but their grandparents may not, or their next door neighbor may not.
COVID is going to be with us until we have widespread use of a safe and effective vaccine.
And with Thanksgiving gatherings coming up next, the hope is that we all take precautions.
I have a number of children that will be coming from different locations for Thanksgiving, but we'll probably all be wearing masks.
And a spike due to thousands of us gathering just last week for the general election. Well, those results, we won't know anything about that perhaps until next week. In Baldwin County, James Gordon, NBC 15 News.